Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how can you embed your high-level chat widget into your Squarespace website. Now by doing this will not only help you to answer questions from your leads or traffic on the website, but it will also help you to collect that information, collect leads, nurture them through high-level automations, and at the end of the day, get more paying customers. So let's dive straight into the setup. Now, I've already got my Squarespace account logged in here, and on the second tab I have HighLevel sub account. So I'm under sites and the chat widget here. You can see here that I already have a chat widget created. If you do not have one, you can click on new here and then select the type that you want to configure. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and set it up. I already have one, so I'm going to click on these three dots, click on edit right here, and then click on get code, and will take a few seconds, and then it will give us an option to copy. So let's go ahead and copy this, and then we're going to come back to our Squarespace dashboard. Now, in order to make this chat widget work, we have to embed this code into our website, right? And there's two methods to do it. So one is on the premium plan. So if you are on the business or the commerce plan, which is of course a paid plan with Squarespace, then you will be able to use method number one. And if you are in the dashboard, you can find it under the settings icon. So if you click here on the gear icon and then click on the last option, which is developer tools, and then you will see a code injection option, which is again only for the paid plans. So it looks something like this. It will give you an option to paste the code, and you will paste it under the header side. And then all you have to do is just click save at the bottom, and that's it. Your chat widget will be live in your Squarespace website. But if you're on the free plan, we do have an alternative, which is method number two. So if I go back to Squarespace here, I'll close this out, and then under website, I'm going to select a page from here and then click on edit here. Now this will open up the editor, and we're going to scroll down and then click on add block here. And then in the search bar, you can search for embed. So I'll select that here, and then double click on the white space. It will open up this modal. So let's go ahead, select the code snippet, and under the embed data, this is where we paste the code, which we have got for HighLevel. Once it is done, we're going to scroll it towards the bottom right side of our website here, and then we're going to click on save. And once we come back here, you will see that the chat bubble is now visible. So the chat widget is now successfully embedded straight into your Squarespace website. You will be able to get questions from your traffic on the website and collect leads, nurture them through high-level automations, and get more paying customers towards the end of the day.